Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a BMW X2 automatic. First, let's get comfortable. Adjust your seat so you can easily reach the pedals and have a clear view of the road. Next, set your side and rear view mirrors to eliminate blind spots. Finally, locate the gear selector on the center console. It's a small lever. Always remember to fasten your seatbelt before you begin your journey for safety. With your foot firmly on the brake pedal, press the Start/Stop button, usually found near the gear selector, to bring your X2 to life. Once the engine is running, gently push the gear selector forward to engage D for drive. This prepares your vehicle to move forward. Remember, always keep your foot on the brake until you are ready to accelerate. To begin moving, slowly release the brake pedal and gently press the accelerator. The X2 will smoothly accelerate. When you need to slow down or stop, apply steady, gradual pressure to the brake pedal. Avoid sudden, harsh braking unless it's an emergency. Always maintain a safe following distance of at least 3 seconds from the car in front of you. When you've reached your destination, bring the vehicle to a complete stop. Shift the gear selector into P for park. Then, engage the electronic parking brake, typically a small button with a P symbol, to secure your X2. Finally, press the Start/Stop button one more time to turn off the engine and exit your vehicle safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.